Welcome to Text Valley. In our lecture 5, we will learn how to create the REST microservice using Spring Boot. So in our previous 4 lecture, we covered environment setup, in which I taught you how to set up STS and Java on local machine. Then in second lecture, I taught you how to create free developers account on Cloud Foundry and connect that account with the Spring Tool Shoot. In third lecture, I taught you about MicroService. What is MicroService and its basic feature. In the fourth lecture, I taught you what is the Spring Boot and what are the basic feature of Spring Boot. So in this lecture 5, I will teach you how to create a REST microservice using Spring Boot. So creating a basic Spring Boot REST microservice, let's follow this link provided by Spring Guides. So in this Spring Guide, Spring is explaining how to building a RESTful web service using Spring Boot. Let's start hands-on. First go to File, New, and Spring Boot Starter Project. So provide here the project name. Suppose I am taking order management. Choose here the Java version, group, package, artifacts, and description. And packaging type, you can choose jar or var both type. So I am going to choose jar only. So I choose the Spring Boot version, then I choose some dependency. Okay, and I go next and then finish. Now the project is ready. So every Spring based configuration is taken care by this Spring Boot framework only. So here is a package, this is a default application.java file. There the all required configuration is already taken care. Let's make a class. We'll say order management controller class and finish. Now we have a controller class. Now go back to the link. So in controller class, let's copy this piece of code and let's put there. Let's make a package in which we will keep our models or DTOs. We'll say So the package name will be com dot so under this package name we will create a class. Its name will be greeting. Now let's copy the code of greeting class from here. Now our basic REST microservice is ready. Let me show you how we can run it. Run as Spring Boot. So you are saying the application is started and running now. So we have a greeting endpoint. We defined the greeting endpoint in controller, and under this greeting functions we are sending a request parameter name whose default value is world. So if I pass the name value, so it will be set into the greeting model, and that model will be returned back as a response of this greeting controller. So let me show you how it works. So see, I never send anything as a parameter, so it's take default world. But if I send parameter name equal to Sanjay, it will say hello Sanjay. So now our simple REST based microservice is ready with Spring Boot framework. So you can increase the functionality in this basic application as per your functional requirement. I hope you understand how to create the microservice. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for better future.